debris floats everywhere. For the rescuers, finding the right path and surviving it is a constant battle.
往这个楼后边吗？
那往这的呢？
先攻了，先上去吧。哪边？那边过不去。过不去。
Here, every meter forward is a gamble. Water depths change instantly. Safe passage is a luxury.
真的那个大龙了。
哪一天是龙？
那个船子倒塌了，房子倒塌，那个围墙哦。
It's a level 2 emergency response. The Ministry of Emergency Management said 36,000 additional disaster relief items have been dispatched to Guangxi, on top of 40,000 items already sent through government agencies and social organizations. Disaster-hit areas have received 160,000 relief items so far. A national rescue team of over 1,300 personnel and a fleet of over 400 vehicles and boats were deployed.